Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will do the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy J8 Infinity version. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is the sealed package. On the back, we have some quick specifications. Infinity display. It has dual camera, 4GB RAM and 64GB inbuilt storage. Snapdragon 450 processor, 3500 mAh battery, fingerprint sensor, and it has face unlock feature. So let's unbox the device. Opening up the box, you will find mobile itself on the top. A formal Samsung design, so which we can find in all the other smartphones. It has a matte design on the back, so which looks pretty good. There are some booklets. Keeping it aside, we have wall jack adapter, which is a 5 volt and 1.5 ampere, USB to micro USB cable. Good to see a free earphones coming inside the box. SIM ejector tool. Switching on the mobile for the first time. By the time it boots up, let's check out the physical overview. On the right, we have power button, speaker. On the top, we don't have anything. Coming on to the left, we have volume rocker key, SIM slots, and another SIM slot with micro SD card slot support. So we have two dedicated SIM card slots as well as a micro SD card slot. That's good to see. Coming on to the bottom, we have micro USB port, primary microphone, and 3.5mm jack. On the rear, we have 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel rear facing camera. That's a dual camera, which is supported with single LED flash, and it has a fingerprint sensor. Coming out of the front, we have 16 megapixel front facing camera with single LED flash and earpiece. We have 6-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display, and it has on-screen buttons. This particular smartphone has Samsung Pay built in. The current OS running on the mobile is Android 8.0, which is supported with Samsung Experience version 9.0. After the first initial boot, the free storage is 51GB. Coming on to the RAM, we have 2.2GB of RAM after the initial boot up. So that's approximately 50% of RAM available. So let's find out how the shutter speed is and the camera interface. The camera interface looks really sleek. The shutter speed is really fast. These were some of the sample images that I've taken during my initial testing. So do let me know what you think about the image quality. Also let me know if you want me to compare the smartphone with any other smartphones in the likes of Redmi Note 5 or the Asus Zenfone Max Pro. Also let me know whether you want to see a couple of other videos about the same smartphone like gaming reviews and dedicated camera review, or you want to see the full in-depth review on the same go. This particular smartphone is priced at 19,000 rupees. I know it looks expensive, but I have to test the device in order to give my final opinion to the price to performance ratio. So if you don't want to miss that, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. This is Naeem signing off. Hope to see you in my next video.